Perched atop a volcanic crag, overlooking a city sculpted by time, stands a fortress of legend. A silent sentinel, it has witnessed the ebb and flow of centuries, its weathered stones whispering tales of triumph and tragedy. Its story is Scotland's story, a tapestry woven with threads of courage, ambition, and resilience. For generations, its imposing silhouette has captured the imaginations of travelers and invaders alike. A beacon of power, a symbol of defiance, a testament to human endeavor. What secrets do its ancient walls hold? What echoes of the past linger within its chambers and passageways? Come, dear reader, as we embark on a journey through time to uncover the mysteries of this iconic landmark. Feel the weight of history beneath your feet as we delve into its depths, exploring the stories etched into its very foundation. Our destination, a place where myth and reality intertwine. The first stones were laid in a time shrouded in mist, a time of tribal skirmishes and early kingdoms. The strategic importance of this natural fortress was undeniable, commanding a view for miles around. It became a prize fought over by kings and queens, its ownership a symbol of dominance. The air reverberates with the clang of steel, the shouts of warriors echoing through the ages. Blood has been spilled here, lives lost and won in the name of power. Each stone bears witness to the ebb and flow of conflict, the rise and fall of dynasties. From Viking raids to wars of independence, the fortress stood firm, a bastion against those who dared challenge its might. It sheltered royalty, housed garrisons, and endured sieges that tested the limits of human endurance. The very landscape bears the scars of these conflicts, a reminder of the price of freedom. Through the centuries, the fortress evolved, adapting to changing warfare and the needs of its occupants. What began as a rudimentary stronghold transformed into a formidable castle, its defences strengthened, its architecture a testament to military ingenuity. Massive walls, some several meters thick, encircle the summit, their sheer scale a testament to the ambition of their builders. Towers and turrets rise at strategic intervals, offering panoramic views and positions for archers to rain down deadly volleys. Within its walls, a labyrinth of chambers and passageways unfolds, each with its own story to tell. Secret tunnels, whispered to exist but rarely seen, hint at clandestine activities and daring escapes. The castle's well, plunging deep into the heart of the rock, was a lifeline during sieges, its water a source of both sustenance and legend. Walk through the grand halls, and you might hear the rustle of silk gowns, the murmur of courtly intrigue. This was a place of power, where kings held court, where alliances were forged and broken. It witnessed lavish banquets and secret meetings, the air thick with the scent of ambition and treachery. One tale speaks of a hidden chamber, sealed for centuries, where a king hid his most prized possessions. Another whispers of a ghostly piper, forever patrolling the ramparts, his mournful tune a reminder of a tragedy long past. Whether truth or legend, these stories add to the mystique, reminding us that the castle is more than just stone and mortar. It is a repository of memory, a place where the past feels tantalizingly close. The castle has witnessed its share of famous figures, their names etched in the annals of history. Kings like Robert the Bruce and James IV walked these halls, their decisions shaping the fate of a nation. Mary, Queen of Scots, the tragic queen, gave birth within these walls to a future king, James VI of Scotland and First of England. Her story, one of love, betrayal, and ultimately tragedy, is forever intertwined with this place. In later centuries, the fortress served less as a royal residence and more as a military barracks, its strategic importance never waning. It housed prisoners of war, its dungeons holding the unfortunate souls caught in the crossfire of global conflicts. From the earliest times to the present day, this fortress has stood as a symbol of Scottish national identity. It has weathered storms, both literal and figurative, its enduring presence a testament to the spirit of its people. Today, it stands proudly as one of the most visited historic sites in the world, drawing millions eager to connect with its rich past. Its imposing silhouette, so familiar from countless postcards and films, continues to captivate the imagination. And there you have it, dear reader. The secrets are unveiled, the story told. The fortress perched atop the volcanic crag, a silent sentinel overlooking the city, is none other than Edinburgh Castle, the crown of Scotland. A visit here is not just a journey through history, but a journey through the very soul of a nation.